Hey everyone, nice to see you again on the Martje and Olive YouTube channel. My name is Martje and I'm the host of the Instagram page Martje's Journal. Today I want to show you how to start with a garden journal. I want to use this cute frog journal because I think it's perfect for a garden journal. I printed some pictures and searched for other stationery items I want to use, like this paper and the pens. Now I start with the first pages, with my balcony plan and the growing calendar. For me, a garden journal is more than just a notebook. It's a personal record of your gardening journey. Writing things down helps you to stay organized and learn from your experience. I love to use these pictures for my motivation. Also, these cute stickers from Martje and Olive. There's no right or wrong way to use a garden journal. It's simply a tool to help you learn, grow, and enjoy the process. Just follow your own ideas. One of the most important parts of a garden journal is planning. Writing down what you want to grow helps you stay realistic and organize it. I just have a balcony and some planting pots. The growing calendar can help you to get an overview of when to plant and when to harvest your plants. These plants I want to grow the next season. Now we create my favorite page, the harvest log. At the end of the season, a harvest tracker is a wonderful way to reflect on your efforts. You can track what you harvest, how much you harvest, and when. These are the final pages. If you want to see more, you can take a look at my blog post at Archer and Olive or on the Instagram channel from Archer and Olive. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!